Hello students, so today I am going to cover and complete the remaining topics of your chapter 12, that is weather and seasons. So in this chapter I already given you two videos, and in that videos I discussed and I covered the topics difference, what is weather, what is season, differences between weather and seasons. Okay, there are how many types of seasons, and I discussed about summer season, monsoon season, winter season. These all I already discussed in previous videos. Okay, so that you know very well that there are five seasons. Okay, and there are only three main seasons in our country, that is summer, monsoon and winter, and two additional seasons are autumn and spring. Okay, so now summer, monsoon and winter, three main seasons I completed, and I am going to teach you two remaining seasons, that is autumn and spring. Okay, so autumn season. So autumn is a dry and windy season. Okay, and in autumn the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. So we all know that autumn season starts after monsoon. Okay, and because means that after monsoon, winter means that between monsoon and winter, so this season is neither means that too hot and nor too cold. Okay, and in this season that you know that season that in this season mostly it is dry and windy, and all the time only dry winds blows. Okay, and dry leaves fall off from the trees, and due to that dry winds all the dry leaves fall off from the trees. Okay, and that is not means that a good season, because in this season if you will see, then all the trees like that they are dead, because all the leaves from the trees they fall off in this season. Okay, so autumn season is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, and in this season the weather is dry and windy. Okay, and dry leaves fall off from the trees. Okay, so this is autumn season. Now next is that spring. Okay, so the weather in this season is pleasant. Spring season is so beautiful season. Okay, because in this season the weather is so pleasant, so beautiful, because if you will see around yourself, then all greenery, green environment. Okay, and all sides you can see that flowers, butterflies. Okay, so that is so beautiful season. And as we all know that this season also comes after between winter and summer. So winter last and summer starting, so this season is also neither too hot nor too cold, means that very pleasant weather, very pleasant weather. Okay, and the weather in this season is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold, and it is the season of flowers and butterflies. All the sides new leaves grow on the trees. Okay, all the sides only greenery and all. Okay, so it is the season of flowers and butterflies, all the plants blossoms. Okay, so this is very beautiful season. Okay, and spring is called basant in Hindi. So spring season is called basant in Hindi, and we all know that sometimes and my means that we also always say that which is your, if anyone asks which is your favorite season, then basant. Okay, so basant, that is spring. Okay, and that is very beautiful season. Okay, so this season is also called basant in Hindi, and in this season also you know that one festival is also celebrated, that is Basant Panchami. Okay, Saraswati Puja. So you can observe now that from next time, that when this season will come, then you can observe the environment that is too cool and very beautiful. Okay, so this is spring season. In spring season the weather is pleasant, very pleasant. Okay, so this is spring season. Now your all five seasons completed. First one is summer, second one is winter, third one is monsoon. Okay, fourth one is autumn, and fifth one is spring. Okay, so in in summer season weather is very hot and sunny, okay. In monsoon season weather is rainy and cloudy, because in monsoon season too much rain comes, okay. So that's why in winter season the weather is cold, okay. Now in autumn season the weather is dry and windy, and in spring season the weather is pleasant, okay. So these all are the things that you have to study, and I already completed all the means that things that what happens in summer season, what happens in winter, spring, autumn, monsoon, these all you know now, okay. Now the next thing is that the next topic is that cycle of seasons in India. So in India, how the cycle of seasons run, in which month which season come, okay, that I am going to tell you. So first one is winter. So winter season is from December to February, means that December, January and early February. Early February means that in starting of February, okay. So December, January and early February winter season runs, okay. After that spring, so that you all know that spring season comes between winter and summer. So spring season is late February, because early February winter season remains, okay. So late February and March, late February and March spring season remains, okay. And after that we all know that from April, May and June it's too hot, it is summer season. So summer season starts from April and ends in June, okay. So April, May, June it's too hot, okay. And after that fourth one is monsoon. So monsoon season starts from July, so July, August and September, it ends in September. So July, August and September monsoon season runs, and right now this is August, so it means monsoon season runs. In monsoon season nowadays you can observe that daily after means that 1 or 2 day clouds means that rain comes, and it is the weather is cloudy, okay. So that is monsoon season, a little bit summer, a little bit hot also, means that, okay. So that means that very different type of hot season this is. So you will feel very irritating type in this season, this is not a good season, okay. So July, August and September monsoon season runs, okay. And after that autumn season. So you know very well that I already told you that autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter, okay. So in this season also the weather is not too hot, okay, and not too cold, okay. So autumn season runs in October and November, and then again from December winter season starts, okay. So these all are the things that you have to study, okay. So now this topic cycle of seasons in India, it is completed. So in all other countries it comes in different months, okay. So but here because we all are living in India, so here the cycle of seasons of India is given, that is completed now. So go through the video and try to understand these all topics, that is spring, autumn and cycle of seasons in India. Here some fill in the blanks are given, that is a hot wind called Lu blow in. So we all know that hot wind blow in summer, okay. So you can feel here summer. Now next is that spring is also called dash in Hindi. So as we all know that spring is also called Basant in Hindi, so you can feel here Basant. Now the next is that we like to sit in the dash in winter. So we like to sit in the sun in winter, that you can feel here. The dry dash fall off from trees in autumn. So the dry leaves fall off from the trees in autumn, okay. These all are the things. Now overall what we studied in this chapter, that I am going to tell you. So weather changes from day to day, that you know. The sun, wind, rain and clouds cause changes in weather, okay. When one type of weather stays for many days or months, we call it a season, okay. Now the three main seasons in India are summer, winter and monsoon, and spring and autumn comes between these main seasons, okay. So these all are the things. Now your chapter is completed, and in the next video I will discuss about the question answer of this chapter. So go through the video and try to understand these all things, okay. Thank you.